Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And this one I'm going to show you how to fix the 5 GHz Wi-Fi internet on your Firestick showing as a 2.4 GHz. So the first thing we need to do is when we're on the main homepage of our Firestick, is come all the way right to our settings here. Then we want to come into the network. And then you want to connect to the network what is 5 GHz. If you don't see it in the list, come all the way down to the bottom here and select See All Networks. Then you can come down to Rescan, and this will scan for new networks. So if your 5 GHz wasn't in the list, hopefully this then shows it. Then you want to connect to the 5 GHz network. If it's still showing as 2.4, what you want to do is press the play button on the one you're connected to. Then you want to select Run a Speed Test. Now what this sometimes does is kicks it in to recognise it that it's an actual 5 GHz internet rather than a 2.4 GHz. And in most cases that fixes the problem. So let us know in the comments below if it does. If you found that video helpful, don't forget, smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Firestick tutorials like this one. And most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.